We have our children, about 400 that are in primary schools that come from these children's homes. Then after that we go to Bungoma. That's why we are in a hurry. But I'm happy to be here in Kisii, this children's home under the Child Welfare Society of Kenya. It's been a program that we've been doing to visit all the children's homes across the country. We've done Murang'a, we've done Nanyuki, we've done Isiolo. Yesterday we were in Nakuru, today we are in Kisii. And I want to report that I'm happy with the progress that is here. We have very many children below 2 years. And they come from this catchment area of Bomet, Namira, Kisii, Homa Bay, Migori, and the children are under very good condition. And I want to praise the team that is based here that are taking care of these young babies. I think of the children's homes that we visited, this one has got the highest number of babies below 2 years and even below 1 year. And they have come here for various reasons. Some of them have been dumped. Some of them have come here as a result of fights by parents. One of them even was injured and the brain was damaged, and but the baby is okay. I'm told the baby was treated at Enwek Hospital and she's in perfect condition. My appeal is that let's not dump those children. They are babies, they are young, they need love, they need support, they need shelter, they need food. When we bring these children to earth, it is our responsibility, even as individuals, before even government comes in, to ensure that these children are in safe hands. I just want to salute the team at this Kisii Children's Home for the work that they have done and have seen very, very good children. Now these children that are here, they are supposed to be here on temporary basis. They will not be here permanently. If we have people who want to adopt these children, we welcome you to adopt, but there are procedures that the Welfare Society will give, or even the ministry will give as a department for children, that you need to follow before you adopt a child. So long as you are able and you show that you are able to take care of a child, you can easily adopt as a Kenyan. We only allow Kenyans to adopt these children. Number two, we are saying these children should be here for a short period, and I'm happy the society is also looking at the progress of these children. Once they are here and they are able to go to a boarding school, they are taken to Zoia Primary School, where we are going to see about 450 that are there, that the society pays school fees for. And when we were in Nakuru, we even had graduates. They become adults. They are independent on their own. They are professors, they are engineers. So they can become whole, so long as they are given that environment and supported to be good citizens of this country, to be able to stand on their own. So my other appeal is that let's not drop these children. Let's not abandon them wherever they are. I've had many cases in this institution of children that have been abandoned in Bomet. It's something that we need to address. I think we had the highest number of children in this institution that are coming from Bomet County that have been thrown. Others have even been put at the gate of this institution. Someone decides to leave the baby at the children's home because they know the child will be taken to the next door. Say it as government, we have the Children's Act 2022 that has given the private children's homes to close down in the next 8 years. They were given a grace period of 10 years. 2 years have passed. We are remaining with 8 more years. And we want to say we appreciate the work that they have done to take in the children and take care of them. But as a policy, as a government, we want to say children should be taken care of in a government children's home or institution. So within those 8 years, they should wind up. But we are also looking as a ministry on how to take care of those children within those private homes. And we are also saying we need to strengthen our oversight over the private homes. Not all of them do good work. Others are not doing a good work. They are being used as transit of trafficking of children, which is a crime in this country. If you are found trafficking children, you will be prosecuted because it is not right. How do you sell a baby for 1 million? How do you sell a baby for between 1 million to 7 million? Want to give them a warning that if someone is doing that business, we'll catch up with you. And we have a department and a committee that looks into those issues, that is made up of the different sectors of government. We have the NSIs, we have the DCI that are in that committee, plus our officials in the ministry. If those cartels are working with our children's officers, I want to appeal to the public that give us information of those who are doing that business and we'll arrest them.